So here are the classes of functions. I have on all of these the basic equation, a sketch, and the name of it. So maybe cover up the name on your screen and see if you can name all of them. So y equals x squared is our basic quadratic. It's a parabola shape. Y equals the square root of x is our square root function, which is a half of a sideways parabola. Y equals x is our identity function, is a straight line through 0, 0. Y equals x cubed is the cubic function. Y equals the cube root of x is the cube root function. And you can get from the cubic to the cube root by doing a 90-degree rotation and then reflect across the x-axis. Then you have y equals some number, any constant. That's the constant function. It's a horizontal line. Y equals 1 over x is the reciprocal function, because we have the reciprocal of x as 1 over x. And that reciprocal function has two branches, and it also has an asymptote that goes right down through the middle. And those branches never cross that vertical asymptote. The basic reciprocal function, y equals 1 over x, has its vertical asymptote at 0 because it's impossible to divide by 0. So if your x was 0, you'd have 1 over 0, which is impossible. Okay. Now, interestingly, this reciprocal function also has a horizontal asymptote here. So it gets very, very close to x equals 0, gets very close to y equals 0, but never touches 0 in any of those. So that's a fun graph to play with. Okay, so what I'd like everybody to do now is just do a short little exercise. Use your own Desmos, and I'd like you to take and work with any one of these functions and put it into Desmos and try to do a shift. Try to change not the shape, but try to change the location of your graph on the coordinate system. So make it shift up, make it shift down, left, right. Try to get it to flip over or rotate or some other shift, some other change to your graph. So go ahead and do that now. And then once you have it, you can click on the little pencil at the top of the screen and draw it on the screen so the rest of us can see it. Okay, so you may begin that now.